At Whiteboard, we want to reward human attention. We want it to be something that is a valuable exchange for you, not just an extraction for us.
We're Whiteboard, a creative agency, and I think the distinguishing factor for us is that we really care about our impact on the world.
Our brand is defined by what it gives a spotlight to, by what it chooses to magnify and project and share.
For us, we really want to make sure that who we're advocating for, how we tell that story, it's all for the common good.
And so our mood board at the beginning with this web project was really about how do we tell a story well? How do we tell a story using elements that get out of the way? And really, how do we elevate the people that we get to work with?
So as an agency, we've been around for 11 years, and we didn't want to forego that history. We've always had this abiding passion for typography. So we wanted to bring that into the new site and maybe push into some really interesting editorial layouts. And then on top of that, we wanted to layer these invitations to slow down and explore. Like, what happens if you hover over this or you click on that? We wanted to kind of invite the user to have that slower, more thoughtful approach.
The web moves at this point. The websites that don't move feel dead.
You can really go into these kind of tech-heavy strategies to do that, and we kind of chose to do the opposite. We chose to do a fairly simple site, but that rewards slowing down and exploring.
We believe in being as technology agnostic as possible. To that end, it was important to us that we have a quick interaction design cycle, that we collaborate really closely, we can iterate really closely. So a tool that allowed us to animate in browser was really important.
In terms of our approach to actually how to create this project, we used Figma for design. And really the push behind it was to be really collaborative. We wanted to get lots of input from different folks to make sure that this was really aligning with how our team wanted to present itself. For us, the huge aha moment behind the new version of Whiteboard.is is rallying around a way to talk about our clients. So we go in the header, we kind of present what our values are or how we want to lead in the space, but then we pivot to our clients and we have this phrase, for a brighter future. When we came across that phrase, our CEO came up with that. It really unlocked how we want to talk about our clients and how we want to present them to the world.
The community and business impact of this project has been really interesting.
One of the really neat things that the site has done is alignment. So now we're leading with the idea of internet for good, we're leading with our values, and so it tends to attract a lot of clients who feel the same way. They want to operate the same way in the world that we want to.
It's a more unapologetic commitment to our worldview and the future that we hope for.
So we've also been aligning as a team around that idea. It's reflecting more of the reality of who we want to be in the world.